The current trading range for Dogecoin is about 0.0728 to 0.0770, with a prevailing price of 0.0765 per coin. This price range holds significant importance in the context of Dogecoin's value. On the preceding day, the closing value of Dogecoin was recorded as 0.0734. The significant change observed was an increase of 0.0031, resulting in a percentage change of 4.22%. This pertains to the exchange rate between United States dollars and Dogecoin. Looking ahead, the forecast for the near future indicates a Dogecoin value of 0.073. The value of 0.078 is significantly more than 0.068 in a quite substantial manner. On Tuesday, August 8, the estimated value of Dogecoin was 0.072, representing its highest value. The value of 0.077 is fundamentally and significantly less than 0.067. The anticipated value of Dogecoin for Wednesday, August 9, was 0.068, as reported by All Things Considered. The value of 0.073 is notably less than 0.063, exhibiting a significant difference. On Thursday, August 10, the value of Dogecoin was recorded at 0.068, representing a relatively significant figure. The aesthetic appeal of the least object is quantified at 0.073. A value of 0.063, which can be considered highly significant. The anticipated price of Dogecoin on Friday, August 11, was approximately 0.068, with a maximum of 0.073 and a minimum of 0.063. However, the actual price on Monday, August 14, was 0.066, which was the highest observed during that week. The Dogecoin price for Tuesday, August 15, ranged from a minimum of 0.061 to a maximum of 0.074, with an average of 0.069. However, some individuals had initially anticipated a lower price range, with a minimum estimate of 0.064. On Wednesday, August 16, the price of Dogecoin ranged from 0.064, which was the lowest, to 0.074, which was the highest. Based on this information, it is predicted that on Thursday, August 17, the price of Dogecoin will be around 0.069, with the possibility of reaching a maximum value. The value of 0.074, particularly when compared to the minimum value of 0.064, is of particular interest due to its subtle nature. On Friday, August 18, the value of Dogecoin was observed to be 0.066, which may be considered relatively significant. The value of 0.071 generally decreases to a minimum of 0.061 in a statistically meaningful manner during a time frame of around 14 days. The anticipated value of Dogecoin on Monday, August 21, ranged from a minimum of 0.068 to a maximum of 0.078, with the most likely value being 0.073. This is a significant fluctuation in the value of Dogecoin. On Tuesday, August 22, the projected value of Dogecoin ranged from a minimum of 0.070 to a maximum of 0.080, with the most probable value being 0.075. The projected price of Dogecoin for Wednesday, August 23, is expected to be approximately 0.076, representing the highest value observed during that period. On Thursday, August 24, the price of Dogecoin exhibited a little increase from 0.071 to 0.073, reflecting a minimal yet notable change. The value of 0.078 can be considered somewhat little compared to 0.068, which is particularly significant. The anticipated value of Dogecoin on Friday, August 25, is expected to be approximately 0.076, representing a quite high value. The value of 0.081 was considered to be the smallest, or at least that was the first belief, throughout a span of 3 weeks. On Monday, August 28, the price of Dogecoin was seen to be approximately $0.077, which may be considered as one of the highest values. The value of Dogecoin is quite substantial, with a value of approximately 0.0765 per coin, which is notably higher than the minimum value of 0.072 and somewhat lower than 0.082. The projected value of Dogecoin on Tuesday, August 29, is expected to reach a significant high of 0.079. On Wednesday, August 30, the Dogecoin price experienced a significant increase, reaching a peak of 0.085 and subsequently stabilizing at 0.078. However, it also reached a minimum of 0.073 during this period. The following day, Thursday, August 31, the price remained relatively stable, with a maximum of 0.083 and a minimum of 0.073, as anticipated by market observers. On Friday, September 1, the price of Dogecoin experienced a slight decline, reaching a maximum of 0.075. The value of 0.08 has a significant importance in the context of leasing, particularly when compared to the value of 0.070. This observation holds true and carries substantial implications within a timeframe of around 1 month. The anticipated value of Dogecoin on Monday, September 4, was 0.079, which can be considered as a significant figure within the context of its market performance. The value of 0.085 can be considered as relatively little compared to the value of 0.073, indicating a subtle difference between the two in a manner that is not easily noticeable. On Tuesday, September 5, the price of Dogecoin was seen to be 0.077, which can be considered as an exceptionally high value. The exchange rate between United States dollars and Doge today was 0.082, which significantly increased from the previous rate of 0.072. This conversion rate is approximately equivalent to 13.0668 Doge coins to $1, which is a substantial increase compared to the previous range of 12.9904 to 13.7344. On Wednesday, August 16, the value of Dogecoin reached a peak of about 0.069. The value of 0.074 can be seen as one of the smallest values, particularly when compared to the value of 0.064. This distinction holds significant importance, as it contradicts the prevailing belief. Furthermore, the value of 13.6258 is noteworthy, despite the prevailing consensus on the matter. It is important to note that the current value of 0.5590 holds substantial significance. Similarly, the value of 4.10 is of considerable